Hit it from the back, watch a nigga bless you, bless you. Crying.
Yo, what up everyone, this is iPhone Nip back with the new video. Today on this video I have this case. This is not a regular case. This is the case with the external battery. It's like, how do I say, it's literally power bank with the case, you know, so it's like more juice for your phone. So this is for only iPhone X and XS, it says right there. So it is only compatible with only those phones, and it does have a 4000 mAh capacity of the battery here. So I think you can charge iPhone for maybe 1 or 2 times, but I'm not sure. Yeah, so this is the features right here. I'm not going through the features, it's just a case with the external power bank, you know. So I'm just gonna unbox. And so I do have iPhone X here, so we can test how the case is gonna look like with the iPhone 10, which is iPhone X. Right, so let's go and unbox this. Took it out, and this phone is nothing, so we get anything. So we get this case. This is the case, a little bit fat but not really that thick. It's not really that thick, but compared to this case, this is the regular case I had for iPhone 10 right here, and you can compare with this case and that. You can pretty see it's not that difference, but yeah, this is not a really bad casing, because as you can see, not really bad. This is the indicator right here. See how many battery percentage you have. Like, it will see how many. It does have an indicator, so it have 2 bars, so I think we are good to charge. I mean, we can compare. So I'm gonna slide this. So I think to put this phone, I think we have to take it out the top. Okay, there you go. So I think we just took it out the top, so you have to take it out the top. Once you took it out the top, after you take it out the top, just slide it inside like this, and let's see, let's put back first. Okay, it's back in. At first I couldn't figure out what was saying on the back, so it didn't charge. So I was reading instruction, and it was saying I have to hold it for 3 seconds. So that was kind of stupid, but yeah. So I'm gonna hold the 3 seconds. There you go. It's charging. Okay, let me show you one more time. So I'm gonna stop charging. Okay, now it's stopped charging, and it's charging now. There you go. It is charging right there. And yeah, so it does have instruction right there how to use. So yeah, it's pretty nice, not that bunky, not that fat. It's kind of heavy. Yes, it is heavy a little bit on your hand, but not that bad compared to my old case. Yeah, but it's gonna give you extra power. And yeah, so you can use you can charge your phone and the case at the same time. I think with this help of this Android charger, I think, or it's just a regular iPhone charger. I think it's a regular iPhone charger. Yeah, it is regular iPhone charger. So yeah, pretty nice. It's a wireless, so you can charge this with wireless. Really nice one. So if you need to, if you guys really want to check it out, the price, it will be, I will drop the link in the description, so you can check it out, the price. And yeah, you know, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. So yeah, as always, I will catch you on next video, guys. Peace.